doesn't want to walk around with 24 karat gold edges? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So today we're going to be doing a high puff, but the star of the show, hello, is Touchdown Hair Care. So they were nice enough to send me their edge control as well as their hair growth oil. So I'm going to show you guys what the edge controls look like. So cherry mango, strawberry, the CBD 50 ppm. I'm not really sure what that means. I'm not even really into like CBD and stuff like that. So yeah, that they have that one, as well as the lemon scent, and then their premium CBD 3 times triple strength super power miracle grow oil. Ooh, I like this. This is so freaking cute. Look at the little nozzle. It's like you just twist it up and it can come out, and it smells really good. You can find all of these products at your local beauty supply store, so I will be sure to leave a link down below to their Instagram so that you guys can check them out. Let's get into it. So they sent me the edge controls, and they also sent me a silk scarf, so period, we're gonna use it. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up into a puff, and then we're gonna come back and get into these edges, okay? So we have our little bun, our little puffy puff going on. We're gonna get into these edges. So, okay, I'm not really sure which one I want to use. They all seem like they all smell really good, but the one that's really catching my eye is the cherry mango. Ooh, wait, is this? Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's gold. It is their CBD 24 karat gold, and it smells so freaking good. So good. I got a little bit on my finger. I'm really gonna put this on my edges. It's really light. Like the consistency is not sticky at all. It's really like smooth. It's not like your typical edge control. It's really smooth. Like the consistency is so smooth. It almost doesn't even feel like an edge control, but it works like one. Hello, somebody. I mean, is there really anything else that I need to say? The edges are laid, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and lay these edges for a second, not that long. I just want to use the scarf. So let's take off this scarf and see what the edges are giving. I only left it on for like 5 minutes, but baby, do y'all see the gold? Period. Talk to me nicely. It's definitely a yes for me, and it doesn't leave your edges feeling like hard, crunchy, sticky, all of that. It's really soft, like really soft. Y'all be sure to check out Touchdown Hair Care. You can find them at your local beauty supply store, and they are super affordable. Get you some gold in your life. Who doesn't want to walk around with 24 karat gold edges? Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.